In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your accounts from Gmail to Proton Mail. We'll use Proton Mail's built-in easy switch to copy your Gmail messages into your Proton inbox safely and securely. Start by signing into your Proton Mail account in your web browser. In the upper right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose All Settings to see the full menu. In the Mail section, find Import via Easy Switch. This is Proton's migration tool that handles the heavy lifting for you so you don't have to download or upload files manually. When the provider list appears, select Google. Next, click Connect your email to link Gmail with Proton. You'll see import options. Make sure Import your emails is checked. That tells Proton to bring over your messages, including your inbox and sent mail. Your original Gmail stays intact. This creates a copy in Proton, so you can keep using Gmail while the transfer runs. Choose your Google account, sign in, and approve the requested permissions so Proton can read your mail for the import. Keep clicking. Continue through the prompts until you reach the confirmation screen. If you use two-factor authentication on Google, have your code ready. Large mailboxes can take time. You don't need to keep the page open, but it's helpful to leave the tab available so you can monitor progress. As messages arrive, Proton converts Gmail labels into folders where possible, so organization remains familiar. If you notice missing messages at first, give it time. Imports process in the background and usually complete in stages. You can revisit Easy Switch at any time to check status, pause, or resume. That's it. By following these steps, opening settings, launching Easy Switch, choosing Google, connecting your email, confirming import your emails, and signing in, you'll move your Gmail messages into Proton Mail with minimal effort and maximum privacy.